Hi, this is Trayvon Kennan, class of 2027, and I'm here at our construction site on 29th and Capitol. As you see behind me, they are taking down our fitness center for a new gym at our middle school.
This is Nazir Ali here at our construction site here on Vel R Phillips. Let's take a look. Windows. I'm on the third floor, and it looks like they're already putting some drywall in some of the classrooms. As you can see, I'm walking into our new lunchroom. This has been Nazir Ali, HFCA class of 2020, UWM class of 2025. See you next week.